Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this. I started thinking about, I know nothing about vinyl cutters or really printing of any kind. I'm a laser engraver, and this would work for a laser engraver. But if you wanted the contour to be right on the color, you could do the same thing we did in part 2. So if you didn't watch part 2, just get to there. And then you need to stop the line from moving or from the contour tool going into the line. So you could just take a 2-point line and go from there to there, there to there, there to there, go anywhere that the Smart Fill tool, and I'm not taking a lot of time to do this, but you could stop all the leaks, or that's what, they're not really leaks because they're there, but, and you could actually go straight down or a little bit of an angle here. And you could do a lot better job than I'm doing. There's just 2 more that are on the outside. And what I'm doing is just stopping the bounding box, because we're going to create a new bounding box. Hopefully this will work. And then just select everything and put a bounding box and then go over. And then let's make it red. And you could smooth some of those things out. But let's take away our original one, and you can see the difference. This one's going to be a lot more contoured in. And now you have a red line right on your item. You can see, the red line is evidently going to be a cut line. You wouldn't want it going inside there. You wouldn't want it going inside there. But this way, if you're a vinyl cutter, I'm guessing, is following the contour a little bit more. And, like I said, I didn't take a lot of time. You could still change this after the fact if you wanted. You can take away that node. Even if you wouldn't want to do that, but you could do this. And if you wanted a straight line, just right click and put line. Of course, that messes up that part, so you can't really do it. But you could change it after the fact and have that line right where you want it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.